Let's explore database versioning. It is a systematic approach to track, manage, and deploy database schema changes across different environments. It ensures a consistent and reliable database structure throughout the development lifecycle. So, why is database versioning important? Without it, we often face schema drift, where development and production databases become inconsistent over time. Also, manual schema changes lead to errors and failed deployments. Database versioning addresses these challenges, providing a structured and automated way to manage database changes. Let's look at the core concepts of database versioning. First, we have migration scripts. These are sequential structured query language scripts that modify the database schema. Each script represents a specific change. Second, version numbers are the unique identifiers for each schema change, allowing us to track and manage them effectively. Here is an example of a migration script. Note that this example has the version number 001. It creates a table named users with columns like ID, username, email, and created at. The username cannot be null, and the email must be unique. This script will add the table to the database. To track applied migrations, a version tracking table is used. In this example, the table is named schema_migrations. It contains the version and the date and time it was applied. This table's purpose is to keep track of which migrations have been applied to prevent duplicate execution of the same scripts. It prevents executing the same migration script more than once. To help manage database migrations, several tools are available. Flyway is a version control tool for database schemas with automatic migration execution. It is Java-based and uses a structured query language-first approach. Liquibase is a database-independent library for tracking and deploying schema changes. It supports extensible markup language, YAML, JavaScript object notation, and rollback. Now let's look at some best practices for database versioning. Always forward. Never modify existing migrations. Create new ones for each change. Test migrations. Validate migrations on a staging environment before applying them to production. Backup first. Always back up the database before applying migrations. Document changes. Include clear comments and change descriptions in the scripts. The key benefits of database versioning are consistency, which ensures all environments have an identical schema, and automation, which enables automated deployments and continuous integration and continuous delivery integration. In summary, database versioning is essential for maintaining data integrity and enabling reliable deployments in modern applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.